The Ultimate Avas Flowers Reviews Tutorial from 0 to Pro in 1 minute. The Ultimate Avas Flowers Reviews Tutorial from 0 to Pro in 1 minute. Ordering flowers online should be simple. You choose a bouquet, pay, and make someone smile. But most people don't realize how different the real experience can be depending on the service you pick. That's why learning how to review a flower delivery company like Avas Flowers is a skill every smart shopper should have. Here's where many get it wrong. They judge a service based only on price or pretty photos. But the surprising truth is that delivery timing, freshness, and customer support matter even more. Flowers are emotional gifts. If they arrive late or wilted, the moment is lost. So how do you go from 0 to Pro? First, check if the company offers clear delivery windows. If same-day delivery is promised, look for details. Is it guaranteed or just a best effort? Pros always verify before paying. Second, compare real customer experiences. Look for patterns. A single bad review can be noise, but consistent complaints about quality or delays are a sign to think twice. Trust the overall story, not just a highlight or horror tale. Third, confirm what happens if something goes wrong. Refunds, replacements. A real company has real solutions. If policies are vague or hard to find, that's a signal to protect your wallet. When in doubt, start with a smaller order. Test the delivery to yourself first. It's one of the smartest ways to avoid surprise disappointment when it really matters. Flowers can say I love you, I miss you, or I'm thinking of you. Make sure the company you choose sends the right message. With the right review strategy, you'll pick a florist that delivers joy every time. Want more 1-minute buying guides? Stay tuned for smarter shopping tips.